Okay, so
Okay,
I already broke it. We're doing
Shut
another
the hell
tier.
up.
Oh my gosh! Stop
Words.
talking.
The top one's just words.
Stop talking. Stop, please. So today we're doing a Peppa Pig tier list, another tier list. Like I think the other one's gonna be better, but oh, stop.
All you do is tier lists.
No, you cry.
Maybe
Okay.
this was a mistake.
Tier list.
But I'm gonna. All right, so we have this first guy who.
Peppa Pig.
That's
Grandpa Peppa Pig.
No, this one is, I think.
That's Grandpa Pig.
I don't know the Peppa Pig lore.
The first one, the very first one is Grandpa Pig.
Okay. So he's really fat. He's like this one. And he has that, you know what, that hat really irks me. And his white mustache, it's just, hold on. There we go.
Boomer.
So
Wait, isn't this second one a doll?
no, it's like I don't know what it is. I think
It's a voodoo doll. It's a voodoo doll.
It's a child.
It's a voodoo doll.
Yeah. What do we even rate this? What do I rate this? What?
I would rate it C.
6.9 out of 420. So that means pretty bad.
Because it's like the most annoying character.
Oh yeah, then it gets a D because this is reserved for certain people.
Yeah.
All right, so this next ugly rat is it looks like it's this thing's mother, and I hate
Hamster. Dr. Hamster.
What? You
know all of this. Do you watch Peppa Pig?
The Peppa Pig lore. Wait, I'm just looking at the characters. What is this?
She has
Mr. Potato.
Yeah. Wait, where's the turtle? Where's the turtle? She has a pet turtle.
Well, it's probably dead. I think Mr. Potato ate it.
Peppa Pig. Peppa
Pig.
Peppa.
Piss the pig.
Right, guys, next one, Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
No, this one. Can we please get on with this? There's so many characters.
Okay, put that in the S tier because
this? What? No.
You want to know what the turtle's name is?
I don't care. Can we please actually do the tier list?
The turtle's name is still.
Is what?
I'm missing out on funny jokes. I'm sad.
I don't even know what's funny. We've already wasted so much time. You know what? You know what? Boomer. This is a George. This must be George too.
You wanna know the name?
This kid looks. He's not an alpha, so he's a C. This one is a C too. This is
that's
so
cheap.
So the Peppa Pig turtle. You wanna know its name?
I don't care. Oh, this is...
No. You wanna know what it's called?
What?
It's called Tittle.
Not funny.
Not funny, didn't. Not funny, didn't laugh.
Okay. Who is this goat lady?
The goat lady?
Oh, hold on.
That's the teacher. Oh, so rude.
So rude.
Alright, this goat noob.
Oh, I
don't pay attention to the boomers, because they just go into the boomer
I
section.
don't know what that is. That might be Susie Sheep.
No, we already have Susie Sheep on the tier list, Ree.
Yeah, that's sorry.
So wait, is this one good?
Oh, it's bad.
Okay.
Boomer tier.
I think so.
No, not a boomer. Look at it. Doesn't even have facial hair.
Do you want me to stop?
Why? All right, so
Peppa
on to
Pig, S
Peppa.
tier.
Obviously an S. I don't know about any of these. Well,
So this
we
is
all know
this
that
is-
belongs in
yeah.
S.
This
Oh,
is
Mr. Potato is top tier.
Yeah, I don't know if George is a tier. I don't know if that's a good tier or not. All right, so this ugly rat right here. Where should we put this? Where should we put this?
I have no
I
idea.
would
who
say
she is.
put it above Susie's sheep.
All right,
yeah,
so
right
like these are the relatively good characters. Is the zebra like a
Oh no,
cool character?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
the
like
zebra is
it's barely
George
in
tier.
any of them, but I mean,
What?
it's
The
not like-
zebra's a
And the zebra is
George?
George tier.
Hold on.
George tier.
That's not what I meant to do. Why is it doing that? I hate this. There.
Chad, yes, the zebra's so much of a Chad.
Then that belongs in there. No, I'm
Dude,
just gonna.
Peppa
Yeah,
Pig is a Chad.
God damn. Then this isn't.
Okay.
All right, so this rabbit. I mean, it's a rabbit.
That rabbit is okay. So Susie sheep is literally the most annoying character.
Oh,
Not
then
joking. That
Sure.
one, the Susie sheep is like
I don't
really,
care. I do not care.
Wait.
What about this gray rat?
the gray rat.
Yeah.
Pedro?
Oh no. Oh,
Put him in there.
I have to put
That's
him up
not
here so I'm not
Pedro.
racist.
That's not
I
Pedro.
love-
That's not Pedro.
Oh, it isn't? Okay, then I can put him down here.
Boomer.
Oh,
Pedro
there
is
we go.
the weird thing with glasses.
Oh, this is Pedro.
Yeah, that's Pedro. I think the next one is the teacher. Or okay. Pedro's okay.
No, Pedro's a Chad.
Oh my gosh, no.
Pedro is so much of a Chad.
All right, this person, this antlered one.
That's the teacher.
Yeah. Oh,
A tier.
no. Boomer.
A.
Boomer. Boomer.
Boomer. That one's a boomer.
No, it's not.
So, elephants live like 100 years old before they become
that,
big boys.
that is okay. So that one is like a really smart elephant, but they're extremely annoying.
Oh.
Boomer. Come on, put him in Boomer. Like, hey, Ryan, can we make an exception for Daddy Pig? Put him in the Chad. Yeah, Daddy Pig's the Chad.
Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna single out on the boomers real quick. Oh, there's too many.
Too many boomers.
Whoa, what's occurring here? Okay, so there's all the boomers we've taken.
I think that rabbit is old too.
No, it's clearly not. Oh, this is like Peppa too. That has to go up there. It's elephant again. I don't like elephants.
I've already seen an elephant.
That's
Alright.
that's like
Boomer.
same elephant.
And then this rabbit. A.
Here.
I have to put in A so we actually have some in every slot. Alright, there. Finally, we finished it. I have to go take a dump.
Wait, where did you? Oh, you